Yo, investors, how y'all doing? Back at it once again. It's your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. Now, before y'all go any further, don't be shy. Go ahead and, lightly tap that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date with all the notifications every single time I drop a video. As you guys know, we've actually dropped a video almost every single day this week, and I want to be able to continue having the same process moving forward. Now, today we're going to stay on the topic of the foreign exchange market, and I'm actually going to drop up in the top. Today we're going to be talking about the Goldcup app. Right, I previously did a video, I'm gonna go ahead and tag right here, going over how to use a Goldcup scanner. This is gonna be the app version, which for most people is gonna be a little friendlier and a little easier to be able to use. So you guys wanna know how you can, take advantage of, a nice plethora of different strategies on one app for copying and pasting foreign exchange trade ideas. I'm gonna show you guys on the next clip. See you guys soon. Peace. Yo, investing family, how y'all doing? Back at it once again. It's your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And before y'all go any further, go ahead and make sure y'all lightly graze that, subscribe button, because I want you guys to be able to get all the notifications every single time I drop a brand new video. Now, today we're going to be staying on the topic of the foreign exchange market, and we're actually going to be diving into a video I actually previously covered. I got the link for y'all, in the clip before this, but we're actually going to be talking about the Goldcup app. So without any further ado, what I'm about to actually start doing is I'm about to go ahead and start screen sharing. And cool. All right, bet. So I'm about to go ahead and put that on the screen. Now, what I want you guys to be able to focus on is from the home screen, you're going to have 4 different strategies, okay? You're going to have master teacups, you're going to have gold rush, you're going to have US 30, you're going to have price trap. If you guys notice, there are a padlock next to US 30 and price trap. That's going to be because even after you initially get Goldcup, there is an add-on for US 30 and price trap. It is not mandatory. As you can see, I don't currently have them, but if you guys want to be able to utilize that, definitely make sure that y'all tap in. But for the sake of this app, we're just going to simply be covering master teacups and gold rush. Now, if y'all give me a second real quick, let me just put on do not disturb so I don't get any notifications while I'm doing this. All right, bet. Now, so what we're going to be looking at is the first one is going to be master teacups, okay? So master teacups. And then you're also going to have Gold Rush. Gold Rush does not have any trade ideas, so for that reason, we're more so going to be focusing on Master Teacups. Now, with Master Teacups, what you're going to see is whenever you're utilizing the Goldcup app, if you swipe to the left, it's going to get rid of them. If you swipe to the right, it's going to actually pull up the information with the entry and so on and so forth. If you want to be able to get all the way back to the beginning, hit the little half circle in the top right-hand corner. If you want to go back to the 4 strategies, hit that arrow in the top left-hand corner, okay? Now that you understand how to do that, let's look down at the bottom, right? Now at the bottom, you're gonna have a search. The search, you're more so gonna have to manually type in what you're looking for. I don't really use the search too much, to be honest with you. The videos are gonna be really, really important. So for the people that even after you watch this video, I still want you guys to go back, watch videos titled Video Title 1, Video Title 2, so you guys can get 100% understanding of exactly how this works, right? I was going to show you guys how to use a lot size calculator, but I'm going to be 100% honest with you. This lot size calculator works different. For whatever reason, it doesn't actually give you a lot size. Like, it's just going to put 0.00 at the bottom. So don't even worry about that. If you guys want to be able to learn how to properly use a lot size, you can use a cheat code and go use the lot size app in the Steady app. So I'm actually drop a link right here, Steady app, the video that I actually dropped. I show you guys how to use a lot size calculator. You can use a lot size calculator within the Steady app if you want to, or just wait for me to drop a video going over all the generic lot size calculators. Now, the final thing I want you guys to focus on is going to be the message chat, right? Going to be all the policies and telling you guys, how to be compliant. But most importantly, it's going to be that settings wheel. Now, if you guys click on that little settings wheel, it's going to give you the option to be able to turn on phone notifications as well as email notifications. Strong recommendation, if you're going to do email notifications, please create a different email separate from your personal, because you're going to get flooded with a lot of different notifications, okay? Now, let's go back to home, and we're going to focus on Euro GBP for the purpose of this example, okay? So if I swipe to the right on Euro GBP, the things that we're going to notice is if you guys look in the top right-hand corner, where there's that little calendar, it's going to actually say the date that this was dropped, which was July the 6th, 2021, okay? So that was about 4 days ago from today. Now, the other thing I want you guys to focus on, why you see that I only have about 10% left on my phone, is going to give you the order type, which is a buy limit, the educator, which was Lizaldo, the strategy, which is Master Teacup, right? You're also going to get the time frame, H4, which is the 4-hour entry, stop loss, take profit through 3. Now, The thing that I actually mentioned in the Steady App video that I already linked for you guys is there are going to be instances to where you're not actually going to get the amount of pips that you're risking and or going for, but that doesn't mean you just randomly put the information in MetaTrader 4 and just take the trade all willy-nilly. You still need to know how much you're going to be leveraging as far as how many pips you're actually risking. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to take this information, go to TradingView, and actually plug that in. So for any of you guys that are new to TradingView, you've never used TradingView, I'm actually going to go ahead and put a link right here showing you guys a video that I actually dropped going over exactly how to be able to take advantage of TradingView. And to be honest, let me go ahead and connect my phone to the charger right now. Now that we're back in action, let's go ahead and go to TradingView so I can show you guys exactly how to be able to plug in this information. Now, I've already taken the delight of pulling up Euro GBP. As you guys remember, it was on the H4 time frame, so I do already have it selected on the 4 hour. Now, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all this information on the chart so we can see how many pips we're risking versus how many we're going for. The first thing I wanna do is click on the drawing tab. I'm gonna go to where it says horizontal line. I'm gonna tap on the screen so I can put it there. I'm then gonna change the color to blue, personal preference. I'm then gonna double tap the horizontal line, and then where you see text, I'm gonna go ahead and type in what it represents, which is the entry. I'm gonna go to coordinates. I'm gonna put in the right coordinates for the entry, which is 85354. All right, cool, 85354. All right, cool. I'm gonna hit okay, right? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna repeat the same step, put it back on. Now I'm gonna put red because it's gonna represent my stop loss. I have no idea why my knuckles are itching so bad. I'm so sorry. So we're about to go look for stop loss, which is 85054, 85054. I'm gonna go ahead and put what it is, SL. I'm gonna hit okay. All right, bet. Now y'all see that red line at the bottom. Y'all see the blue line right there. So for the purpose of this example, I'm not gonna put all these individual take profits. I'm gonna just put take profit 3 just so you guys can see what we're going for overall, but y'all get the gist of it. I'm gonna go ahead and set horizontal line, tap it. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that green line, double tap it. I'm gonna put, this represents TP3, okay? I'm gonna go to coordinates. The coordinates for TP3 is 85754, 85754. All right, bet. I'm gonna hit okay. Now, we are not done yet. Now, the thing that I need to be able to do so that I can see how many pips I'm actually risking is I need to go get the long position tool. So I'm gonna click that one more time, hit drawings, scroll down. I'm gonna select long position, okay? I'm gonna drag these blue dots to wherever you see wherever you see the blue line. You see these blue dots? I'm gonna drag it to the blue line as close as I can. Then I'm gonna tap, okay? I'm gonna double tap the long position, which is meant for buys, and I'm gonna just readjust to make sure my entry and everything is 100% accurate. I don't want it to be close. I want it to be exact. So change that to a 4. Stop loss, 85054, 85054. I bet. And then my final TP, 85754, 85754. I bet. So as you guys can see, okay, if I tap on the screen, you guys can clearly see I'm risking 30 pips to go for a total of 40. Okay, 30 pips to go for a total of 40. Now, just because I really want to be able to show you guys how to use a lot size calculator, I'm gonna go to the Steady app to show you guys real quick how to be able to do that on the Steady app. Then, like I said, I'll make a separate YouTube video, teach you guys how to be able to do that at a later time. But if you go to the Steady app, I can click on that 3 dots. I can click on where it says calculator, okay? My currency is United States dollar. The currency pair is gonna be Euro GBP, all right? Euro GBP. My account size, we could say $200. My risk, we could say 2%. My stop loss, 30 pips. Hit calculate. And my lot size, as you see, would be a 0.01. So whenever you go to MetaTrader 4 to put in those parameters where it says lot size, if you are risking 2% of a $200 account, which would be equivalent to $4, you would put a 0.01. That way, if you lost, you would only lose $4. If you win, you would make that and then some. Now, with that being said, that's exactly how you guys are going to be able to utilize the Goldcup app, right? You guys want to be able to make sure you see the notifications whenever they come through. You guys want to be able to make sure that y'all take advantage of all the trade ideas. And in addition to that, even though it's already on the Goldcup YouTube video, you guys want to be able to make sure that, you guys want to be able to make sure you're actually tuning in to the Goldcups Alert Telegram, as you guys see right here, because you guys can see they're actually going to give you guys a notification whenever a trade is hitting take profit and so on and so forth, right? Now, with that being said, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want you guys to definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Go ahead and follow my Instagram, official Tyree Samuels, and then go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe one more time. And with that being said, guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Peace.